Okay, this is a powerful manifestation technique that I've used on many different occasions to manifest $5,000, $7,000, $10,000, $20,000, and a lot of different amounts in between. Um, this manifestation technique, you can use it if you need to pay your rent, if you need to pay your mortgage, if you have a car note due, if you want to go on a vacation. Whenever you need a lump sum of money, this is the go-to manifestation technique. I have others, but this is definitely a powerful one that I want to share with you today. Okay, now in order to make this work, there's a few steps that you have to take when using it. Now, when watching this video, first and foremost, you want to make sure that you're in a quiet place and that you're all alone so that you're able to focus. Okay, while you're watching this video, you also want to be in a uplifted state. You want to make sure that you're happy, joyful, that you're actually have a positive outlook. You can even be a little excited if you like, but the states you do not want to be in is you don't want to be in fear, and you don't want to feel lack, and you don't want to have any nervous energy. Okay, so if that's the state that you're in, make sure you shake that off and that you get out of those states before you do this technique, or else it's going to limit your positive outcome of this technique. Okay, as you're watching the video, I want you to imagine that you are the one holding the money, that it's your hands in the video, and you're looking down at the money, counting it. And as the money's being counted, I want you to count it in your mind, or you can count it out loud, or you can do both. Okay, these are $100 bills, so as you go through, you're gonna go 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. All right, now this technique is all about belief and actually putting yourself into this scene. Okay, so I want you to go to the comment section and type in, I believe I am a money magnet. I believe I am a money magnet. I believe I am a money magnet. And also, definitely like and subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be uploading a lot more videos like this to help you with your manifestation goals. And the last thing I'm going to say, as part of the steps to making this technique work the most effectively, is to use this technique when you first wake up in the morning, and if you have time, use it sometime in the afternoon, in the midday, and then definitely use this technique right before you go to sleep. And if you do that, you're definitely going to increase your results. Okay? Thanks for tuning in, and let's get to it. I just want to give you a quick update, and this is totally spontaneous. As I was creating this video, I just received $1,800, totally out of the blue, unexpected. unexpected income, $1,800 while I'm recording this video. And that just goes to show how powerful this technique actually is. Once you get into the state of having money, in the state of being abundant, things just happen. While I was recording this video, I was thinking about you guys. I was thinking about how I can make a video to help more people be abundant and feel abundant. And boom, I manifested $1,800 without even trying. So once you start using this technique, if you stick with it, you're going to see things just start to happen in your life. Okay, so the key is to use this technique often, use it over and over again. In this video is $4,700 being counted. So if you go through this a couple times, if you go through it twice, that's $9,400. If you go through it 3 times, that's $14,100, and you can continue going through it and going through it to achieve as much money as you like. But I'm actually going to upload an additional video to this, an updated version that's actually going to be longer for people that actually want to manifest or need to manifest or desire to manifest even larger amounts of money. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about that. It was when it happened, I was like, I sort of chuckled to myself because that's how it works. That's how the universe works, and that's how manifestation works. Just get into the state, and everything else pretty much takes care of itself.